5 phase of polling is 4 phases are over. Fifth phase is going to take place tomorrow. But even now, there are chinks in the opposition coalition that are not going away. And this time, all is not well in the Congress. And in this poll season, that could mean anything. But what we are talking about today is the fact that there is no love lost not only between the Congress and its allies, but also within the party. And the catalyst for this is Mamata Banerjee's changing stand on what precisely is going to be her role in this anti-BJP bloc. While the bitterness between Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is West Bengal in charge for the party, and the TMC is known and understandable, this time at loggerheads are Congress National President and the Congress State President, hours after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge snubbed Adhir, saying that he was nobody to make decisions on whether West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee would be a part of the INDIA or not. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has said that he could not welcome a person who wanted to finish the Congress party.
ममता जी पहले तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम बाहर से सपोर्ट करते हैं। रिसेंटली और एक स्टेटमेंट उनका आया है कि अगर सरकार बनती है तो सरकार में हम शामिल हो जाएंगे। तो नेचुरली वो गठबंधन के साथ है, ये स्पष्ट है। अब रही बात अधीर रंजन चौधरी की, अधीर रंजन चौधरी निर्णय लेने वाले नहीं, निर्णय लेने वाले हम हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी है, हाईकमांड है, इसीलिए वो हम जो निर्णय लेंगे वही सही होगा। हम जो तय करेंगे फॉलो करें, अगर कोई फॉलो नहीं करता तो वो बाहर जाएगा।
আমার বিরোধিতা নৈতিক বিরোধিতা, কংগ্রেসকে কেউ খতম করবে আমি তাকে খাতির করব তা তো হতে পারে না। আমার বিরোধিতার মধ্যে কোনো ব্যক্তিগত বিদ্বেষ নেই, আমার বিরোধিতা নৈতিক বিরোধিতা, আমার বিরোধিতা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আমার পার্টিকে রক্ষা করার জন্য লড়াই। এই লড়াই আমি কোনোভাবেই থামাতে পারি না, কারণ আমি পার্টির একজন ফুট সোলজার।
Now, before we move on, let's tell you what were those comments that were made by West Bengal Chief Minister that triggered this political tempest.
ইন্ডিয়া জোট এখানকার বাংলা সিপিএম কংগ্রেসকে ধরবেন না, ও দুটো আমাদের সাথে নেই, ও দুটো বিজেপির সাথে আছে। আমি দিল্লির কথা বলছি। ইন্ডিয়া জোটকে নেতৃত্ব দিয়ে বাইরে থেকে সব রকম সাহায্য করে আমরা সরকার গঠন করে দেব, যাতে বাংলায় আমার মা বোনদের কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়, আমার 100 দিনের কাজে কোনোদিন অসুবিধে না হয়। অল ইন্ডিয়া লেভেলে অনেকে আমায় ভুল বুঝেছে। আমি বলেছি বাংলায় কোনো জোট নেই, কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়ায় যে জোটটা ওটা আমি তৈরি করেছিলাম, ওই জোটটা দিয়ে আমরা সরকার তৈরি করব। আমরা জোটে থাকবো, জোটে আছি আমরা। এখানকার সিপিএম নেই, এখানকার কংগ্রেস নেই, কিন্তু অল ইন্ডিয়া লেভেলে ইন্ডিয়া জোট আমি তৈরি করেছিলাম এবং ইন্ডিয়া জোটে আমরা থাকবো।
Now, watching from the sidelines, the TMC claims that it would have been better if the Congress had cleared its stand earlier. But as Mamata Banerjee has said, we are and are going to be a part of India Alliance in the future as well. BJP, meanwhile, is mocking the rampant confusion and collisions in the coalition.
Our leader Mamata Banerjee has repeatedly made it very clear that we were within India Alliance, we are in India Alliance, and we shall be in India Alliance. And this Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary led Bengal Congress, they are attacking Trinamool Congress instead of Bharatiya Janata Party. So there is a clear demarcation line between the Delhi Congress and the Bengal Congress. And Bengal Congress, with the help of CPIM, they are trying to disturb Trinamool Congress and they are trying to supply oxygen to Bharatiya Janata Party.
मित्रों, ये कैसा गठबंधन है इंडिया अलायंस का? मतलब कि एनडीए के पास मिशन विशन और इनके पास केवल अपना अपना करप्शन, कमीशन, एम्बिशन एंड कंफ्यूजन। मतलब अधीर रंजन चौधरी रोज खड़गे जी चाहे कुछ भी कहे, उसके बावजूद भी कहते ममता बनर्जी का भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता। वो तो कतार लगाकर हमारे साथ अभी खड़ी है क्योंकि उनको लग रहा है कि हो सकता है हम सत्ता में आ जाए। इस गठबंधन का पूरा चरित्र ही ऐसा है। बंगाल में तो देख ही रहे हैं, केरल में भी कांग्रेस बनाम लेफ्ट चल रहा है, पर दिल्ली में दोस्ती करनी है। तो ये कहीं पर कुश्ती, कहीं पर दोस्ती, इस प्रकार का ये फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट्स वाला गठबंधन बन चुका है।
One would have have thought with more than 1.5 months into the election, these issues would have been ironed out, but that clearly doesn't seem to be the case. So what is it that is leading to this friction? To decode that, to find answers to that, we are now joined by Shazia Ilmi, who's a national spokesperson for the BJP, Asif Bhamla, who's a political analyst, Dr. Nikul Patel of the Congress, and Rajputra Chanda, a political analyst, is on the broadcast with us. But let's first listen into why Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is digging in his heels and saying that I do not trust Mamata Banerjee.
मैं उनसे भरोसा नहीं करते, गठबंधन छोड़ के भागी उन्होंने, उनकी बातों पे कोई भरोसा नहीं। अगर बीजेपी की तरफ ज्यादा भारी रहे तो वो उस तरफ भी जा सकते। मुझे उनके ऊपर कोई भरोसा नहीं कि गठबंधन तोड़ने वाली ममता बनर्जी सबने देखा है, और दुहाई देने की चलते कांग्रेस पार्टी को हिंदुस्तान में खत्म करने की बात कर रहे थे कि कांग्रेस 40 से ज्यादा सीट मिलेगा ही नहीं, कांग्रेस खत्म हो चुके हैं। अभी दुहाई देना शुरू कर दी। इसका मतलब ये कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरे गठबंधन जो है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ दूसरे जो गठबंधन है वो सत्ता पे आ रही है। इसके लिए अभी अभी मतलब जिसको कहते हैं कि लाइन लगाना शुरू कर दिया है ममता बनर्जी।
Dr. Nikul Patel, what makes Mallikarjun Kharge take Mamata's side over their own West Bengal state president, that too in public?
See, firstly, if you see the statement from Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, both are correct in their own respect. If you are talking of West Bengal, then Adhir Ranjan ji Chaudhary is fighting for Congress in the West Bengal, and when it comes to a national India coalition, and definitely whatever is happening in the entire country, we feel that Mallikarjun Kharge is right at his own position, because ultimately we want to form a government if we are going to get a majority on the floor, and in that scenario the support from definitely TMC will be crucial in that case, if so. So that is why Mallikarjun
are you
Kharge
saying
is telling
that Mallikarjun Kharge ji is not fighting for the survival of the Congress in West Bengal?
See, that is not I am speaking. You are taking it in a wrong way. See, there are two entities when we talk of a West Bengal and we talk of India as a whole country.
At
Now,
least
in
you are
West
calling
Bengal,
them two
Mamata ji has
entities.
not formed-
Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge in full public layer said that Adhir Ranjan is a nobody.
No, he has not told like this. I
Sir,
would
those-
listen carefully. He
those
said that
precise words.
whatever decision has to be taken regarding the coalition, Central will take the charge and they will decide what to do and what to not. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is in charge of the West Bengal. He has to carry out his activity at West Bengal, and what Adhir Ranjan ji Chaudhary is telling that Mamata ji is not reliable as he had not formed the coalition with the India government during
Sir,
India
Mr.
coalition
Kharge
right
is saying Adhir Ranjan ji is not reliable. He is saying that
No.
Adhir Ranjan is nobody
not
to make
correct.
any decisions, so much so that he
Not-
goes on to
not
say,
reliable, that is not
we
the
will
statement.
decide,
See,
everyone
as a-
will follow.
as
If
a
you don't
authority-
follow, get out.
As an authority, if you see, there is a country, I mean, All India Congress president, and if it is a West Bengal president, then definitely the power is more with Mallikarjun Kharge ji as compared to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji when we talk of an All India Congress committee as a whole. So as a part of it, he is telling that whatever decisions are being taken at a central level has to be followed by the state, and that is what he was conveying to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji, and that too in the public when the question was asked. This is the difference between what we say that we are facing the press conference and giving the answers to the question, while Prime Minister Modi never wants to face a press conference.
Shazia Ilmi, democracy.
Pardon?
No, this is not democracy. This is utter confusion and chaos. And let me tell you why. When you look at the entire coalition of all these parties, you realize that there's just not inter-party confusion and dissonance, but actually intra-party dissonance. It's happening within the party. Now, Mallikarjun Kharge is saying one thing at the center level. What is Adhir Ranjan saying? Something very different. What is Mamata ji saying? Mamata ji is saying, I have nothing to do with them. I'm not part of India Alliance. I mean, just see how confused they are. Look at Kerala, what they are saying. They are together in the same alliance, but they hate each other and they're contesting with each other. So much so that Congress leaders have said that all the leftists are doing is working against us. Now let's go move to Punjab and Delhi. So Delhi, they want to be together. The same Congress party is utterly confused rudderless and really losing all traction because there is no clarity whatsoever. I mean, look at this. Look at the words uttered by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary for Mamata Banerjee. You think it's tenable for Mamata to stick around and be part of this alliance? Mamata Banerjee, and she said it categorically when she went around to ask for votes. She said, please do not associate me with this alliance. So which is this alliance? Who are in it? Who are not in it? Where they're in alliance? It's a matter of great confusion and chaos. Nobody can quite figure out. You need a very elaborate Venn diagram to figure out as to who's with who, where, and for how long.
All right. So, Asif Bhamla, what do you make of this whole situation as a neutral, apolitical voice? Is it just, par for course that these things happen? Do you think it is okay for the national president of the Congress party to assert his authority on not a common worker, but a state president and say that you are nobody to make any decisions? We have decided either it's our highway, is it our high command's way or highway?
Was this question directed to me?
Mr. Bhamla,
See,
yes.
this stage of confusion and with the Congress, the stage of confusion of the Congress and with the Congress is not alone in West Bengal. It is pan-India. ये केवल दिल्ली में एक मंच में साथ बैठते हैं और मोदी जी के खिलाफ बात करते, भाषण करते, अपने अपने राज्य में जाके एक दूसरे के दुश्मन है. Coming back to my own state, Maharashtra, here there were leaders of their own Congress party with the sacrifice at the cost of the Sena. Be it Sanjay Nirupam, be it Milind Devra. क्यों? उन्हें शिवसेना को खुश करना था. उबाटा जो उनका अलायंस है उनको खुश करना था, इसके लिए अपने ही लोगों को उन्होंने किया. आज अधीर रंजन चौधरी इज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट फेस ऑफ द कांग्रेस, हु इज अ foot strong and a headstrong leader of the Congress, who has ensured that from grassroots level to till here, even as a leader of the opposition, he has bought the party here. But he's been told, hey, you shut up or you'll be thrown out by the party high command. Is this how you behave? And that is why Congress is being disseminating in all the states. Because सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मोदी के खिलाफत में वो ये भूल रहे हैं कि वो अपने ही पार्टी का नाश और सर्वनाश कर रहे हैं. Kerala ho या अन्य राज्य हो, but this is not again alone with Congress. All the India Alliance partners, see Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, they are talking against each other. West Bengal में तो ये हो गया है कि TMC के नेता कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस और भारतीय जनता पार्टी और CPM एक साथ है against the TMC. So this is the narrative, and this is the reason why our party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, will come with the flying colors in the forthcoming election. इनमें कोई समन्वय नहीं है. ये तो अभी चुनाव लड़ रहे, अभी तो रिजल्ट आएगा, उसके बाद पता चला. एक साल ममता जी पीएम की लड़ाई कर रही है, एक साल अन्य नेता लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, दूसरे साल करुणानिधि. So this is the
Mr. Chanda, now while one understands that all these dissonances keep happening, but what is happening in Mamata Banerjee's mind? Because while she might clarify and say that she has been misinterpreted, if you listen to her original statement, she is unequivocally saying that we are going to support the government from outside.
Was this question directed to me?
Yes, Mr. Chanda.
Thank you. First of all, I would say one thing very clearly. Who decides the ideology of any political party? The High Command itself. So the Congress High Command has taken a decision that we are supposed to stay unanimously united, and people like Adhir Chaudhary, he's just confusing the whole scenario. See, whatever differences that we have amongst each other, all the regional parties, whatever differences we have amongst each other,
Mr. Chanda,
we are supposed to...
I have a minute and a half left. So you said the party's ideology is decided by the head of the party, which is why my question to you was, what is Mamata Banerjee deciding? One day she says that we are going to support India Alliance from the outside. Second day she says, oh, no, we are very much in the alliance. She's earlier said Congress will lose, won't even get 40 seats.
Mamata Banerjee is one of the key founders of this alliance only. So Mamata Banerjee's voice is the epitome of this alliance, I would say.
Which voice? The one that says external support or the one that says we are very much in the alliance? Which one?
See, when Mamata Banerjee formed this alliance, she wanted this alliance to grow. That's why she has formed this alliance. But
and then she says Congress will get only 40 seats. Because she wants Congress to grow from 52 to 40.
Where is she present on the India Alliance?
You're not audible, ma'am. Can
She
you
herself
please
will
come again?
abstain herself from India
No,
Alliance
I'm saying,
meetings.
how does she want the Congress to grow? From 52, she wants the Congress to grow to 40.
First of all, ma'am, to answer this question, the Congress has to come to a decision that they have to realize one thing, that they are not existent, they are non-existent in Bengal. So they have to address this fact that Trinamool Congress is the epitome of Bengal.
All
Trinamool Congress is the only political power in
hope the
Bengal, and they have to
Congress
accept this
spokesperson-
fact.
All right.
Then we can form an unanimous alliance with them, with the local
hope
Congress
the
as well.
Congress spokesperson-
If
All
they
right,
don't,
right now it
if they
just
don't agree
seems
to
to
this,
be
there will
like-
be a conflict of opinions.
Just all right. Thank you, gentlemen. Nanshazia Elmi, I think most of the work for the opposition here is only done by alliance members, so you don't get to speak as much as you would like to. But I've completely run out of time. Thank you, gentlemen and Shazia, for joining me.